Hello, my name is Mr. Scott Thompson, and in today's skill tutorial, we will be looking at the head grab, knee kick, strike. So we're going to go ahead and start by looking at the stance. We're going to go ahead and start a nice front stance. Just chamber our hands in our hips. Okay. Step through, we're going to be simulating grabbing opponent's head, or uniform, hair, whatever you can get a hold of. Not quite as formalized as the clinch behind the head. This is more of a really quick grab with a knee kick. So we are going to bring our hands in pretty closely to simulate the head grab. You want to be real careful that you're not, hands aren't this far apart. Somebody's head is that large, just run, okay? Head in nice and close, so we're gonna grab, okay? As we step through with the strike with the knee, we are wanting to make sure that we're striking with the top of the knee and not the face of the knee, not the kneecap, but this area right behind the knee. Where we strike with our knee when we board break, okay? So, I'm going to grab with the head, okay? I'm going to step, bring the knee up, bring the hands down, and strike. I usually do take my hands, strike right on top of the knee, okay? So, grab, okay, right here, knee kick. On the other side. And we are just putting our foot down in front as we do this. So here, grab, and knee, and knee. So from the side, okay, and grab, knee kick. Just like that. Head grab, nice and close, knee kick. You could go ahead, practice that in the air a little bit. Get that head grab down, okay? Really work on bringing your hands to your knees. So I'm not just doing this and bringing one to the other. My hands either down to my knees, but then I'm actually bringing my hands down forcefully and my knee up forcefully at the same time. Okay, so you really want to kind of work those together. And you'll see that much better once we get a target in here. So what we're going to work with, I'm going to have Mr. Booker go ahead and shift in with a blocker. We're not going to use our partner's heads. We're going to be using this to simulate. So basically, same thing. Not completely shaped like a head, but you can get a pretty good representation. Grab, okay? We're going to pull this down as we come up with the knee. Much better strike than if you just bring your knee all the way up, or if you just hold your knee out and just pull the target in. You want to bring them both together. Okay? So grab, pull down, knee up. Then I want to go ahead and step in because I'm going to be close enough to use my hands afterwards. So I'm here, okay, pull down, and then step forward. I'm close enough to use my hands. Now, as we start, okay, I'm going to start off nice and slow. Just get the technique down. Okay, just practice that nice and slow. Partner's just holding it up about head high for you. Grab, touch, step down. Okay, head grab, step, strike. Once you got the basics down, it's not a complicated technique. It's a self-defense technique, so we keep it really nice and simple. Let your partner know and go a little bit harder and faster. Okay. As you grab the target, you can use this as like a slap to the ears. So like on Mr. Booker, you would basically don't slap your partner in the ears. They would not be your partner anymore. But you're actually coming up and just boxing the ears, not with the fingertips, with the palms, and just striking. And we're not clinching like in a formal technique. We're pretty much just grabbing whatever we can get a hold of, whether it be hair, ears, uniform, beard, whatever you can get a hold of to pull into the knee. Okay, it's dirty self-defense technique. Right? So on the target, you can do the exact same thing. So I bring my hands in here, and I can just strike, grab, and knee. Very satisfying. Okay, strike, grab, and knee. Right. One more time. Strike, grab, and knee. Very good. Thank you, sir. Very effective, very simple. Said, pretty much clap, grab, whatever you can get a hold of, step through, strike with the knee. That is our technique for today. Head grab, knee kick combination.